How to fix Spotify on Android. Today guys, I have to show you and have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. So first you have to open the settings of your device or your phone or your Android. Then you will go directly to apps or application. Then here you will find all the application or your phone. You will just search for Spotify. And when you found Spotify guys, just open it like this and go directly to storage. On storage, go to clear data and click OK, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now you have to go to Play Store and you have to update your Spotify again. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.